Hello everybody, today we are again in the AIOps Explained video series and we are still talking about the IBM Cloud Pak for AIOps and in that the version 4.5 release news. So today we are going to concentrate on log analytics and golden signals, and for that specific topic I do have the product manager Zhou with me. And he's going to talk what it is, and I'm going to show you where it is. So this is the total agenda of this series that we are producing, so quite a number of videos. Already a few of those recorded. The deep dives are still going to be made soon, and watch the space. So this is what we're going to do today: log analytics and golden signals. And before we're going to dive into that topic, here is a link to the documentation. So we are today already on version level 4.5.1, which has just recently been made available, 24th of April. And you have here the link into log anomaly detection and golden signals. And with that, I'd like to hand over to Warren. Have fun, take it away.
So I've put together a quick snapshot of some of the new improvements to expect in golden signals. And this is really critical because any sort of robust and secure IT environment is going to have a big focus on log analysis and management. So the advantage of Cloud Pak is that it can gather logs from every possible source, right? So that means network devices, SaaS services, Internet of Things, application devices. But the diversity of the sources means that there's a vast array of raw information, and these pieces of info have their unique characteristics and significance. And so with the golden signals approach, there's been the implementation of advanced templating techniques consistent with the previous natural language and RSM approaches to bring more structure and clarity to the data. So this means using natural language techniques to identify different styles of log messages, and the team has essentially reverse engineered the log messages in a way that reflects how they're written in code. So we can identify both the variable and invariable components that string the messages together. And this approach allows the algorithm to pick out significant messages from raw feeds more effectively. Part of this is what we call templates. These expand on the industry standard of golden signals to make the process more comprehensive. The user could define the importance of log messages. Customers have control over refining and verifying that the right decisions are being made about the data, and they could flip the features on or off as they see fit. So they're empowered to manage the system without the need for constant oversight or control for the initial value extraction. So by default, log anomaly golden signals will recommend which template should be monitored with an enabled flag. And the templates are processed through the tried and trusted metric anomaly detection algorithm. The algorithm learns the baseline frequency of different patterns, understands how much occur in real life and in real time, and then it's able to detect when something unusual is happening. And when the anomalies are presented to the teams, they're not only smarter in terms of what's being learned and raised, but the anomaly itself is more expressive, right? So this could mean a visual representation of trends over time, the learned baseline, and even a forecast of where the logs are likely to trend. So this is a much more considered approach compared to previous methodologies. Moreover, because it's leveraging the metric anomaly detection pipeline, there is continuous learning through both the log anomaly and metric anomaly pipelines. Users are enabled to add, customize, delete templates as they see fit. The golden signals algorithm can recognize all the elements that the previous natural language approaches were able to. And there's also a lower training data threshold. So before it was a 3.5 days minimum, before it was a few weeks long, now it's a 2.5 day minimum with a 7-day recommended. And because it's leveraging the metric anomaly detection algorithm, there's better support for mixed data, including subnormal data. The reality of any IT environment is your data can be perfect, so golden signals is much better equipped to handle that. So overall, there's been significant enhancement and investment in better comprehending logs. You can automatically understand what may be interesting, establish a baseline of what's anomalous, and then when these anomalies are shown to you, they're well explained, ensuring that teams understand why they're significant. So with the latest release, the golden signals algorithm is productionized with log data specifically, but we are actively investigating expansion of this approach into other data sources, such as events and metrics. So you can see in the X and Y alert algorithm, which is also available in the Cloud Pak, the introduction of the golden signals, such that there is better proactive identification of which alerts could be suppressed and which ones should be prioritized for the teams. So again, improving that signal to noise ratio, helping the teams to understand what to focus on first rather than sifting through tons of raw data manually. More to come on this, but stay tuned.
Thank you, Warren. That was a really cool overview. I'd like to thank you for presenting this kind of topic, and I'd like to thank the audience for spending the time with us, and I'd like to invite you to come again and see another video of AIOps Explained. Until then, bye.